How to create a Stripe account in 2022. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to get your own Stripe account. So let's get started. Stripe is an online payment accepting platform that gives us a lot of different options, and then we can connect it to any of our websites to run an e-commerce business. So to sign up for Stripe, what you will do is you will go to stripe.com and you will get on this platform. You have to click on sign in option given right here. So in our sign in form, we get this option right here, sign up. So we are creating the account for the first time. I'm going to click on sign up. So you have to enter your email address, full name, country, and password. That's how easy it is to create a Stripe account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email. So I have entered my email, full name, country, and password. After that, I'm going to click on I agree, or get emails. I'm going to go ahead and select this one and click on create account. And then a verification email will be sent to you. You just need to open up your Gmail. So this is our email right here. I'm going to click on verify email address, and it will take you to your Stripe dashboard. There you go. This is how you can go ahead and create your own account on Stripe. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.